you, huh? I probably wouldn't have a clue without you. But one thing's for sure is when I pull up a herd or refer to me as Travis, you can call me son.